Zinc versus stainless steel, battle of rust resistance.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating topic about two commonly used materials in various industries, zinc and stainless steel. We will explore whether zinc can replace stainless steel as a rust-resistant material in outdoor applications. Let's get started.
Understanding corrosion and rust resistance.
Corrosion is a natural process that converts a refined metal into a more chemically stable form such as oxides, hydroxides, or sulfides. Rust, specifically, is a form of iron oxide that occurs when iron or an alloy that contains iron, like steel, is exposed to air and moisture for a long period of time. Rust resistance is therefore a key consideration when choosing materials for outdoor applications. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron with a minimum of 10.5% chromium. The chromium forms a layer of chromium oxide when exposed to oxygen in the air. This layer is adhesive and non-porous, making it difficult for more oxygen to reach the iron beneath, thereby offering a high degree of rust resistance.
Can zinc replace stainless steel?
Zinc is a metal that's often used in a process called galvanization, where a protective zinc coating is applied to iron or steel to prevent rusting. The zinc reacts with oxygen to form zinc oxide, which further reacts with water to form zinc hydroxide, which finally reacts with carbon dioxide to form a tightly adhering zinc carbonate layer. This layer protects the underlying metal from rust. However, zinc itself is not as durable or as strong as stainless steel, especially in outdoor applications. Over time, the zinc coating can wear away, especially in harsh conditions, leaving the underlying metal susceptible to rust. Moreover, in a corrosive environment where the pH is either very high or very low, zinc corrosion can accelerate significantly.
Which is better for outdoor applications?
In outdoor settings, it really depends on the specific conditions and requirements. If you're looking for a more affordable option and temporary solution, galvanized, zinc-coated materials could be an appropriate choice. But remember, this solution may not be long-lasting and could be less reliable under harsh conditions. For a long-term solution with a higher level of durability and corrosion resistance, stainless steel is often the better choice, albeit at a higher cost. Stainless steel can withstand much harsher conditions and, with proper care, will last much longer. In conclusion, while zinc, particularly in the form of galvanization, can provide a degree of rust resistance, it cannot fully replace stainless steel in terms of durability and long-term rust resistance, especially in outdoor applications. Each material has its strengths and ideal applications, so it's always important to choose the right one based on the specific demands of your project. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the differences between these two materials. Stay tuned for more insights on materials and their applications.